All right, we are back with this problem again. So now that we just finished, we started off with FIFO first, okay? So this one we went pretty good, pretty smooth, okay? We just went over LIFO. So LIFO, we understood the same concept, except instead of going from top to bottom, we go from bottom to top, all right? Now we are going to move on to moving average, which is, I can tell you, is by far the easiest. And I also made a little note here that when we're doing our cost per item or average cost per item, go ahead and round it to the nearest, the after 4 decimals. So the thousandth decimal, okay? So here we're going to go ahead and get started on October 31st. You had 20 units on hand costing $60. So I'm going to go ahead and record that item first. So October 31st. Yes, David? David? You said something?
I think he ended up, okay, here it just
Oh,
dropped. So
oh no. All right. All right. Anyways. Okay, so for this, we started off with how many units? What was our entry?
100.
Oh, he's back.
Okay, there you go.
20 units.
Okay, remember we have beginning inventory, okay, on October 31st.
Okay, we have 20 beginning.
Yes, 20 beginning, and it cost us $60, okay? Now here, what is our cost per item?
Let's see, I guess it's $3.
$3.
Yes, that is correct. It is $3. So that is where we are going to be starting off with our inventory, okay? All right, let's go ahead and establish right here that this is moving.
Oh, we're doing the moving averages now.
Yes, we are doing the third problem. Okay? So now what does the scenario say?
November 2nd,
Mm-hmm.
we purchased 100 units
Mm-hmm.
at $3 on account.
Mm-hmm.
Rate was $25.
Okay, so here on November 2nd, we purchased 100 items at $3 each with freight 25. So what is my purchase price here?
$300.
$300 and plus, what is my total cost here?
5 is $325. Divide
Okay.
the $325 by the 100.
Okay, now David,
3.25.
we are doing
Yes.
moving average. Do we need to calculate that?
No.
Mm-mm.
No.
No, because we're doing moving average. Okay, so what are we going to be solving for now? Okay, so we have initially 20 items, and we're adding another 100 items to our list.
Right, we have
Yes.
to adjust the inventory.
Okay.
Add the 100 to the 20.
Mm-hmm.
You have 120 to the right, right?
You can add it here, but I'm going to make my calculation here so then I can physically see it. So what is my...
So the quantity would be 120.
Okay, yes. My quantity is going to be 120.
Then
And total cost is
Go ahead.
331,
331?
385.
335.
We're adding 385.
Okay.
So 385. All right.
Now we average that out.
Yes. So now we're going to be taking our new total cost because we're not focusing on one batch anymore. We're combining the two to make one single group, okay? So now we need to add up the total cost, which we've already done, which is $285, $385. And now we're taking the total amount of units, which we know is 120.
Right, so now our cost per item is 3.2083.
3.2083.
Yes.
Okay. And then now you could choose here. You could either cross it out or you can just actually update it. So this is now 120. And then this is now 3.2083. That gives us a grand total of $385.
Right.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay, so let's see what happened next.
Number 8, we purchased 200 units at $2.75 and freight 50.
Okay, so we
How much
rec.
was freight,
50?
I didn't hear, 50, okay.
So here we're gonna recognize that this. What was it? November 7th,
Yeah, November 8th.
November 8th. We are going to increase our amount by 200, and it was for $2.75 each, and freight was 50. Okay, so what is my total purchase price?
550.
$550. Okay.
With the $50 is 600, is your total cost,
Okay.
and that's, oh, I haven't gotten that part yet, just a second.
Andrea, let's look at this question again. Do we need to calculate the cost per item?
No.
Not yet. Yeah.
Not for that batch, no.
No, we don't need to anymore. Why? Because now we need to update our inventory here. So here I have it in yellow.
Uh-huh.
All right. So here I'm going to go ahead and straightly add it right here so then you guys can see it right here. Okay. So, what is 100 plus 200? Or sorry, 120 plus 300. What is 120 plus 200?
320.
320, I'm sorry.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And then here, what is 385 plus 600?
985.
985.
985 is correct. And now, what is my average cost per item?
3.0781.
Yep.
0.781. All right. Now that we have that, I can go ahead and update my little inventory here. Now I don't have that. I don't have that anymore. I have 320. And my cost per item is now 30781. And my total cost here is now
985.
985. All right, hold on. I'm gonna make sure. Okay, good. Good. All right. Now what happened next? Oops, I went too far up. Okay,
15 May or 15 November.
then 15th of
we sold
November,
100
we sold
115
115.
units.
All right. So let's go ahead.
15 unit, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 115.
So November 15, let me find my cursor. November 15, I sold 115 units, okay? We don't need to do any split costing because we only have one batch to focus on. And how much is this batch going to cost me?
20.
Okay.
$353
Hold on.
and 98 cents.
What was, so we have one batch. So what is my cost per item to sell this, to sell anything? What is my cost per item?
3.071.
Okay.
Yep, that's it.
And then how much is it?
Oh, so
$353.98. Here we just rounded the 2 decimal places.
Yes.
On the other side, we round to 4.
Yes. Andrea, are you okay?
yeah, oh yeah,
Is this what you got too?
yeah, that's what I've got.
Okay.
Okay.
Good. All right. $353.98 is correct. All right. Now, just looking at this right here and keeping our little section in the middle clean, we're just going to do some mental math. So, what is 320 minus 115?
205.
205.
205. Okay. What is $985? Subtract our $353.98.
It's 631 and 02 cents.
Hold on. Say that again.
Did you get it?
6
631.
631
and 2 cents.
0185.
Hold on. David, what did you get again?
Yes. 631.0185.
Okay, so you didn't round your answer there. So,
No, because we do 4 decimal places over here. We do 2 at the other side.
okay, for this one, we're going to keep it at 2 because this one you can't. This is, I said to round your average cost per item.
Which cost the item.
Average cost per item is 4 decimal points. Okay? In reality,
Yeah.
you are not going to have a thousandth of a penny. No one's going to give you a thousandth of a penny. So this is why we round it here. We round by 2 because when we're journalizing it, you can't have a thousandth of a penny. It has to be rounded to 98. Here, this is how much it's going to cost you. Are you going to actually physically have a thousandth of a penny?
No.
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 So,
The only number that you're going to be keeping for digits is going to be your average cost per item. Okay, so this number here and this number here, okay, your average cost per item will be 4 digits.
Okay.
So I got 631.02 and that should be correct. Did you get that, Andrea?
yes.
Yes.
Okay. Good. 631.02.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Now let's go ahead and go up here and then see what else happened.
What date are we on
Oh.
again?
We're on November 18th.
18th, okay.
November 18th, we sold 145 units.
Okay, we sold another 145 units. So when we come here, okay, actually we're supposed to make sure that this number is correct. Now let's go ahead and take our 631.02 and divide it by 205. And can we ensure that the cost per item is still $3.30781?
It'll be 82.
It's 82. Okay. Wait, hold on. Go ahead and calculate yourself. just to ensure. Oh, I still got 8-1. Oh wait,
Yeah.
I still got
The
8-1.
total, yeah, the total number that I got was 3.078139.
Okay, I
Yeah,
got
so
I got
this
4.
one
Okay.
should still be,
Right.
yeah.
Okay. So, okay. So from there we can already so it's still the same number.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So here we know that on the 11th of, what was it, 18 or 18, we sold 145 units, right? And we know that we verified that it is going to be for the same amount. So how much total is this?
4, 4, 6, 3, 2.
Yes. 44632. Did everyone else get the same answer?
Yes.
I got it now.
Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and come on over here. Now, what is 205 minus 145?
60.
I'm sorry, that's not what I got for 145 times the 3.0871. I got 447.63.
44763.
0.63.
Hold on. Let's all calculate together. So 3.0781.
Oh, okay. I messed that up. I pressed the number. I'm sorry.
No worries. Okay. All right then. Okay, so going back here. So I originally started with 205. 205 minus 145 gives us what?
60.
It gives us 60. Yes. Oh shoot. Where did my number go?
You're still down there,
All
yeah.
right, so here. 60. All right. Now let's keep this in, let's go ahead and punch this in the calculator. So 63102. Okay. 63102, and we're going to subtract our $446.32. And what do we get?
184.68.
Mm,
184.7.
what was it?
184.7.
Okay. David, so we started with 2 cents and we subtracted an 82 cents. So there's no way that you can have an 80. I mean, ending with an 8.
184.68.
184.68. I think you forgot the 2. You forgot the 2 cents on the other, on the previous one.
Yeah,
So, yeah. So because it was 631.02,
right.
and I think what you did was just 631, and you subtracted the 446.
Yes,
And
that's
you,
what I did.
yeah. So you forgot the 2 pennies from the previous one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I redid it and got 841.70.
Good. Okay. Good.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Damn
good.
pennies.
Those pennies make a difference, I'm telling you.
Yeah, they do.
All right. So what happened on November 20th?
You purchased 300 units at
Mm-hmm.
50 for $75 on freight.
$250 and $75 freight. Okay. So here we're gonna recognize November 20th. We purchased here 300 more items at $2.50, and my freight was 75. All right. So what is my total purchases?
750.
750. Mm-hmm. Plus
Plus
75.
75.
Mm-hmm.
825.
825.
825. All right. Do I need to calculate my cost per item?
Not now.
Not
No.
now. We need to
Yeah.
take our average, right? So
Mhm.
from here, I'm going to
Yes.
go ahead and I'm going to enter this info. You could either do this. You can either take the number from here and enter it here and copy it in and make your formula here. Or what you can actually do is now that we entered this in, you can go ahead and physically do it here. What is 60 plus 30? What is 60 plus 300?
360.
360. What is 184.70 plus your 825?
1,009.70.
Let's double check. Did everyone get that answer?
It's 1,009.70.
Perfect. 1009 and it's 70. Yes. And then here, let's recalculate this amount because it's going to definitely change.
Yeah, I thought I got it wrong.
Okay, so
It says 2.8047.
2
That's what I have.
2.8407.
47.
Yes.
No, I'm sorry. It's I'm sorry. 2.0747. Yeah. 0.8. Wait, you got it right. 2.8047. There we go.
Yes.
That's what I got.
Perfect.
Yes.
Okay, good. So now it's 2.8047 for each item. So we dropped our cost per item very drastically. Okay.
like 20 cents.
Hey, those 20 cents count for every item that you sell.
20
That means
cents is huge on this worksheet.
exactly 20 cents per item. That means we gain more money. So that's a good thing. That's a really good one. So now we sold how many items on the 25th of
75.
170.
yeah, 175. See, right here, that 20-cent difference is going to gain us $2. Because we sold, I mean, no, wait. I did that calculation. That we got $20 profit from that. So 175, okay. Oh, wait, wrong window, wrong button. Okay, so we need to go here. So on the 25th of November, we sold 175, and this time it's for $2.8047. All right,
Yes.
let's calculate this now.
490,
490,
83 cents.
83. I got 82.
Hold up. Let's
Well,
see.
it's 0.00826. I just rounded it up to 0.83.
Okay.
I got 490.82.
Okay. So I think
38.
so Jabrea, if you're keeping the formula in your calculator, you're gonna get actually a more accurate answer. So that's why you have
So
a couple more
490.
cents more than you have a couple more cents more than what we have. And I see because you didn't round it. You didn't round to the 4 digits. You kept it in your calculator. So that's good. Good. But for the sake of this problem, we can't keep it.
Change yours.
Yes.
This
You got
is
you
two.
got a weird number.
That one's 4 digits.
Okay, so what the heck? That's not even the number anyway. Okay, so 490.82 is what
Okay.
we all got, correct?
Yep.
Okay, so now we can
Well,
skip
shouldn't it be
on.
83?
No,
It's
it's
8225.
Yeah, so it would still be 82.
Because the
I got
two
826.
you got 826.
I got 8,
I got
225,
822.
which would still make that 82. Because you're not going to increase the 2. I mean, it's
So
just
David, go
25.
ahead and do it again. So punch in 2.8047. And I want and punch it again and recalculate it. It should be 8225, not 82.
8225.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay.
Did you get 8225?
1 second. Oh, 409.822. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. There you go. All right. So now let's go ahead and let's go over here and calculate it. So what is 360 minus 175?
185.
We got 185. And what is this number here? So we take 1009.70 and we're going to subtract 490.82.
Okay, I got 518.88.
Did everyone else get the same answer?
Mhm.
518 point, yeah, 88.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mm. Okay, good. Now we have all four of you getting the same answers. Good. I mean, five. There's five of you. Sorry.
Right.
All five of you are getting, dude, I'm getting so tired. So, okay, good. Now, what happened on November 28th so we could finish this off?
Okay, we sold 125.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Sold 125 units.
We forgot to calculate to verify is this number still the same? It is?
Oh.
Oh,
Yes.
wait a minute.
It's 2.8047.
Okay, it's still the same? Okay, perfect. So now that we know that is we already verified it's the same answer. So on the 11th and 28th of November.
Wait a minute.
What? Is it different?
Yeah, it needs to be rounded up to the next because the fifth digit is a 5.
So 518,
2
88.
point, what I got is 2.80475.
Yes.
So
It
doesn't that change it to 2.8048?
yes. In this
No,
case,
No,
No?
because because even when, the way I'm looking at it is if it's based on the fourth number. Okay, because even because I'm using Excel, I'm using.
Mm-hmm.
So when I bring it up, it still says 2.8047, and it won't give me 8. Because now I see now if I extend it one more number, it says 49.
Well, it should be
So
4.8.
it's because we rounded our numbers to the fourth decimal, so that's why we are in that situation. So for Excel, you're gonna get more accurate answers because you can have the formula completely in your entire worksheet. For us,
yeah.
we can only show
Okay.
four numbers. So in this case, for this example, we'll just go ahead and do it because I already wrote to just round to the nearest four decimals. So in this case, we will just go ahead and round it. So this is because I stated to round to the fourth decimal. So in this case, we are gonna have to round up.
Okay.
Okay, but for Excel again, your answers will be off by a couple pennies, and that's fine because you actually are having the more accurate answers. Okay,
Mhm.
Okay.
and then we
So
will.
if we all do Excel,
Mm-hmm.
then we'll have the same answers,
Exactly.
Right.
right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So again, so now that because we're just doing the worksheet for now, again, when we move into Excel on Monday, we're going to be using whatever number is on Excel. Okay.
Okay.
So here we recognize on the 28th that we are going to sell another 125 items at $2.8078 this time. All
Oh,
right.
47.
Oh,
Or
048. Yes.
Yeah, I've got $350.60.
Three
That's what I got, Andrea.
350 and how many cents?
60.
yeah,
60.
350 and 6 cents.
Yeah, 350 60. Okay, cool. We got a nice
Mhm.
somewhat nicer number. All right, so 350.60. All right, so go ahead and let's go ahead and bring it over to here. Here we have 185. What is 185 minus this 125?
Units that we're supposed to have left over.
Exactly, and that's the exact number that we're supposed to have left over. Let's go ahead and subtract our 518 with our 350, and what do we get?
168.28 cents.
168 and 20 cents, you said?
Oh, what?
28 cents.
20. Ooh, typo. 28 cents. Okay, 16828. Yes, and that is it, and that is how you do moving average. Okay, so again, with Excel, you're going to be a little more accurate. Okay, so yeah, and then that's it. We got our total of 60 at the ending, and we know that if we were to continue 60 at 168.28 is where we're going to start for the next period. Okay. All right. Good job, everybody. Okay.